Welcome to Okolab, where science meets passion. Founded 2 decades ago in Naples by passionate researchers, Okolab has become a leader in life cell incubation, culture and observation. Today, Okolab operates from 3 locations in Italy, with the latest in Veneto, and has offices in United States and China. Our commitment to quality solutions drives innovation in biomedical researches, IVF applications, and a lot more. In our pursuit of a healthier world, we embrace energy sustainability. OkoPower SRL, our solar division, contributes to a healthier planet. Okolab provides world-class products for a variety of life cell research projects as well as applications. Our purpose extends beyond technology. We contribute to life sciences research and development, providing top-notch incubation tools to researchers. With over 3,000 peer-reviewed documents produced using Okolab products, customer satisfaction is our top priority. Inside Okolab, we foster a stimulating workplace where our people are the heart and soul of our innovation. For those who seek more than a job, Okolab offers a community with a shared passion for discovery. We are not just providing technical solutions, we are building a research community where life cells thrive. Okolab, where passion meets innovation.